Guys, 360, deja vu, full circle, call it what you will. I was at this exact same spot back in June of 2020, right when COVID hit, promoting this property. Here I am again, 176 Low Gap Road. Outside, not a ton's changed. On the inside, everything has changed. A complete transformation at this property. 4 beds, 3 full bathrooms, right at 3,000 finished square feet in the main house. Granite counters, glass showers, all of the high-end finishes you want to see. Then we go next door to the guest house. 900 square foot cabin, open concept. Bathroom has been completely remodeled, and this guy, and check it. We got 15.5 acres here in the heart of Elizabethton, going up 91. 4-car carport, pasture, woods, hunt from your porch. Just sit back and take it all in. So many options here. Airbnb income producing potential. You have literally got guest house, guest space in the basement, and then your main space. You could have 3 income producing potentials here at this spot, or multi-generational. So blank canvas, up to you. Come check it out. Seth Jervis, Jervis Property Group, EXP.